I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone. I'm Jessica and I'm here to take you on a relaxing beach walk in Malvarros Beach in Valencia, Spain. I can already feel the hot sandy shore beneath my sandals and I'm loving it. Do you want to explore the beauty of this beach with me? Well, if you do, don't forget to hit the like button and leave me a comment letting me know you're here. We'll start our journey by one of the wooden fishermen's huts that were used in the past. This beach has been around since the 19th century and still offers incredible landscapes to this day. Walking towards the shore, the horizon changes in front of me. We can hear seagulls in the background and lapped waves are the only sound around. We can find tons of shells, pebbles, and even a small fish. What a wonderful place this is to recharge our energy. Let's start making our way up the stairs that lead us to the other side of the beach. Here we find ourselves in front of a large sailing boat. Oh, what I wouldn't give to sail around in it. We continue on and pass people riding bike, running, and some even enjoying the magnificent sunset. What a beautiful sight. When I turn back to the beach, I find myself mesmerized by the kilometers of sandy beach before me. I breathe in the salty air and gaze at the horizon. What a breathtaking spectacle. This beach is full of activities and adventures to make. There are lots of unique spots to admire and take photos of throughout our walk. That's why I'm so glad I got to explore this place with you all. Did you enjoy this walk as much as I did? Don't forget to hit the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already so you don't miss any of my travel vlogs. See you soon.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.